Hello friends, welcome to MESTAG World and I'm your host Ali Imran. So I'm going to explain you that what is HTML and how you can use that. So basically HTML is a language which is used to make websites and blogs. Okay, so how to make that? Okay, you can use in any text editor such as brackets, Visual Studio, Adobe Premiere, Adobe Bridge, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom, or PyCharm Community. Okay, the best one I like is Sublime Text, and you can also use the Notepad, usually on every computer. Here, this is the Notepad 1 and the Notepad++ is the second version of Notepad. Okay, so I'm using Sublime Text. Just open that. You can also download it. It's pretty easy to download that. Okay, here's the preview of it. Okay, so how to make an HTML file? The first thing we do is to make an file. Double clicking on the tab, and this control save that. We choose the folder in which I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to use the vid folder and just save that as web.html. Okay, it's case sensitive, so use a lowercase HTML and just save that. It's done. Okay, now you can use it because it's a bit faster. The Sublime Text it's a bit faster than the Notepad. But if you use Notepad, you can see that it's something like that, and it require too much work for you. Okay, example, if I use how to start HTML, it will take you too much time for that HTML, blah blah blah. It will take you too much time. It should give you any access. But if you write here, for example, HTML, and just click on that, it will give you the full display very faster. See, at first you use the doctribe.html or accept. You can use a space. Okay, so how to start any tag, if you use the greater than sign, which is followed by a smaller than sign. Okay, at first you use how to start making an HTML file. You have to use the doc type HTML, stands for document type HTML. Okay, and followed by a exclamation mark. Okay, it's done till here, and then you use the HTML tag, HTML with closing tags, then head, then the title, alt. Just see me. Let's call me doc type HTML, then the head, that stands for the upper portion of your file, head, then the body, or no, then the title. The title is the one I'll show you later, the title tag. Then you use the clothing tag followed by a slash. As starting tag you use simple, and at the last you use a slash. Okay, then the body tag, which stands for the body, the middle, then the closing body tag, and then the closing HTML tag. It starts from here till there, head from here till here, and body till here till here. Okay, so the title, just open your file in a web browser. I'm gonna do that. Okay, how to do that? Just open your folder and save. See here, their web over there, and your file is ready. Just open your web browser, and you can see that your file is here. The name of web.html, which is the name of your file. So how to change that? Okay, come, just follow me. Entitled group, right? Welcome, anything you like. Welcome. Control S to save, and go back there and rerun your program. You can see that welcome is displayed on your tab. Okay, we're gonna change that by writing first page, save that with Control S, rerun that again. See that the first page is displayed. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is to add something in your body. Okay, you can add, for example, a heading which stand for H, and it will display the H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, which are the only from greater to smaller. If you write H1 and just close that with the closing tag, and if I write inside there, hello, welcome to my web, and just save that. If I go back and run the program, and you see that hello, welcome to my web. And if I write here the sixth one, because there's a limit till H1 till the H6. And if I write here 6.2, and if I rerun that again, I'll see a smaller one. Okay. Gmail uses you the heading number 1, heading number 2, heading number 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 headings in per HTML document. Okay, it's done. Welcome to my web. So now, how you can add a bulleted list? You can use it very easily. Let's make one more tab with using the UL with the closing one, and inside there write LI, which stands for link. Which stands for a bulleted list, lie, and a closing lie, and write that story one, and just copy that and paste that below that, story 1, and story 1. Just copy that and paste it below. And now we save that and get back to your browser. Refresh that. You can see that there are 2 bullets displayed with story 1 and story 2. So it's enough for today's video. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.